In this video, I'll guide you through the fundamental Facebook ad campaign structure, breaking down campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Do you want to run effective Facebook ad campaigns but feel confused by terms like campaign objective or ad set targeting? No worries. Understanding this hierarchy is the backbone of successful advertising on meta platforms, giving you control and clarity over your spending and results, and I'll explain them all to you now. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Now let's get started on understanding the campaign structure. Alright, let's talk about the backbone of your Facebook advertising within Ads Manager, the campaign structure. Think of it as a well-organized filing system. It's broken down into 3 main levels: campaign, ad set, and ad. At the very top, you have the campaign level. This is where you define the overarching objective of your advertising. What do you want to achieve with this set of ads? Is it to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or boost sales? The objective you choose at the campaign level will influence the options and settings available at the lower levels. Next, we have the ad set level. Think of the ad set as defining who you want to see your ads, where your ads will be shown, and how much you're willing to spend to reach them. You can have multiple ad sets under one campaign. You can have multiple ad sets within a single campaign. Within each ad set, you define your target audience like their demographics, interests, behaviors, etc. The placements where your ads will appear, is it Facebook feed, Instagram stories, audience network, etc. And your budget and schedule for that specific audience and placement. Finally, there is the ad level. This is where you create the actual content that your audience will see. This includes your images or videos, the text you write, including the headline, primary text, description, and the call to action button that encourages them to take the next step. You can have multiple ads within a single ad set, allowing you to test different creatives and messaging with the same audience and budget. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. So, why does this hierarchy matter? It's all about organization and control. By structuring your advertising in this way, you can align your advertising efforts with specific goals at the campaign level, target different segments of your audience with tailored settings and budgets at the ad set level, test various creative approaches to see what resonates best with your target audience at the ad level, and analyze performance at each level to understand what's working and what's not. This allows for more effective optimization and a better return on your ad spend. Understanding this campaign-to-ad set-to-ad structure is crucial for setting up effective and well-managed Facebook advertising campaigns. It allows you to be strategic in your targeting, budgeting, and creative execution. For my complete guide on how to run Facebook ads like a pro, click this card here. Check the description below for more Facebook ad tips and explore other helpful video tutorials. If you found this video valuable and you want to see more, consider subscribing and liking the video. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Click this card here for more Facebook video tutorials. Thanks for watching.